This is common effluent treatment plant set up by NITRA at Ajrakpur Bhuj for Ajrakpur Hastkala Vikas Sangathan, the Association of Small and Tiny Handicraft Manufacturers. The project was sponsored by HMCM, Ministry of Textiles, Government of India. The video shows the treatment of effluent at common effluent treatment plant set up by NITRA. The effluent generated at different textile processing units are being collected at the collection tank. This is screen chamber to separate out fibrous material from effluent. This is oil and grease trap to eliminate oily and greasy matters from the effluent. This is equalization tank fitted with diffuser where the effluent is stored before taken to the treatment process. The effluent is then pumped out of the equalization tank and lifted to the reaction tank 1. Dosing of chemicals such as ferrous sulfate, lime, polyelectrolyte are done in dosing tank 1. The chemicals from dosing tank 1 move to reaction tank 1 for decolorization process. The effluent from reaction tank 1 is being transported to settler 1. From settler 1, the effluent is then transferred to MBBR tank for biological treatment. This is MBBR cum aeration tank. From MBBR tank, the effluent moves to aeration tank for activated sludge process. After that, the effluent moves to secondary clarifier through gravity. The partly treated effluent now appears to be colorless. The overflow of secondary clarifier is transported to reaction tank 2. Sludge settle at the bottom of secondary clarifier. It transported to aeration tank through sludge pump. This is dosing tank 2 fitted with stirrer and air spurger where chemical dosing is done. This is reaction tank 2 where chemical reaction takes place with chemicals coming from dosing tank 2. The effluent is now taken to settler 2 by gravity flow for final settlement of sludge. The treated effluent is taken to underground storage tank. part of the treated water is recycled for washing of clothes.